replacing this flush seal kit, you will need the kit number 7301111-0070A. You want to shut off the water and flush your toilet, and then with some needle nose remove the carter pin. Once you have done that, you can remove the pin from the flush trip lever, and then there's a bolt cap that you want to unscrew. That's on top of the flush seal cap, and once you've done, you'll need to put your hand underneath to hold that, and then you can remove the cap, remove the seal, install a new seal, and put the cap back on and re-screw that bolt, or you'll need to replace the O-ring on the bolt cap, and then re-screw the bolt cap back onto the flush seal cap. And that's all you have to do. Very simple.